Growing up in Riverina, Murray Walker always had a soft spot for tractors of all kinds. Despite life leading them away from farming, his love for tractors remained. They embarked on restoring iconic models like the Lanz Bulldogs, International W6, and a rare Steyr 80A. However, their biggest project came in the form of the Mercedes Benz MB Trac, a groundbreaking tractor with advanced features. The meticulous restoration journey involved cleaning, painting, and fixing various parts to bring the MB Trac back to life. From addressing steering issues to refurbishing the cab, every detail was meticulously taken care of. Customisations like suspension seats, new paint job, and functional enhancements added a personal touch to the project. Though it demanded over 900 hours of dedication, seeing the MB Trac back on the road at the Allora Heritage Event made all the effort worthwhile.
The Old Machinery magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.